Hey, welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today I'm going to show you how to make a G bar chord, and that's coming up. Thank you for coming to the channel. If it's your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much for supporting the channel. And also, I have a Patreon. Might want to consider becoming a patron. The first link in the description for that. There's a lot of neat stuff over there. Click the link to see what all's in it. Stick around, because towards the end, I'm going to give you 3 tips that'll help you with chords. You may shy away from bar chords, but sooner or later you're going to need to play bar chords. So if you're ready for that, take a look at the G bar chord. It's not as hard as you may think. First, let me show you it and I'll explain what we're doing. What you're going to want to do is put your first finger across all the strings at the 3rd fret. Then your 3rd finger is here on the 5th fret on the A string. Under that's going to be your pinky on the D string, which is the 4th string. Then right here on the 4th fret is your 2nd finger on the G string. Now when you play this bar chord, or any bar chord, it's gonna feel like you're muting all the strings because your hands are not strong yet if you're a beginner guitar player, but keep working on it. And actually check the link in the description of this video to get an exercise that will help you strengthen your fingers. You want to press down all the strings kind of hard, but not too hard. Your thumb needs to be not over the top. It needs to be down here. That's in the middle. So you want your thumb like that. After you get that, 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, underneath, and also you need to be playing on the tips of your fingers, right where, if you look closely here, I have a mark going across my finger. That's the tip. So make sure you're on the tips of your fingers. Your pinky is on the D string at the 5th fret, and then place that 2nd finger on the G string, 3rd string. You should be able to pick one at a time. On these bar chords, if you bring this finger up a little bit, where it's actually over the top of the E string, you might find that's easier to bar all the strings. Because this, a lot of times, this high E string is the one that is not ringing out properly. So if this is raised up higher, you're actually using this part of your finger to catch that high E string. If you enjoyed this kind of lesson, can you go ahead and click the like button? Thanks.